Unlock seamless payments in China by mastering the Alipay account creation and verification process. First, download the official Alipay app from your device's app store. Once installed, tap the register button to begin. You'll need to enter your mobile phone number. Make sure to select the correct country code from the drop-down menu. After entering your number, tap Next. Alipay will send a one-time verification code to your registered mobile number via SMS. Enter this code into the designated field. If you don't receive it, tap Resend. Next, you'll create a secure password for your Alipay account. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for best security. Confirm your password and tap Done. Now for verification, which unlocks Alipay's full capabilities. Tap on the Me tab, then select Profile and Identity Verification. Alipay offers several verification methods for users outside mainland China. You'll typically use your passport. Select Passport as your ID type. You'll be prompted to enter your passport number and its expiry date. Then, you'll need to upload clear photos of your passport's information page and a selfie holding your passport. Ensure the photos are valid and all details are legible. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for optimal image capture. This verification process helps secure your account and enables full transaction access. Once submitted, your verification request will be reviewed by Alipay, which may take a few hours to a couple of days. You'll receive a notification once your account is fully verified. With your verified Alipay account, you're ready to enjoy a world of seamless digital payments, from online shopping to booking transportation and everything in between across China.